Cut cucumber into bite-sized. Please prepare storage container or plastic bag. Put soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. Mix cucumber with seasonings. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. The taste will be soaked well if you let it sit overnight. Cut carrot into long sticks. Please prepare storage container or plastic bag. Put miso paste, mirin, soy sauce, grated garlic, and grated ginger. Mix carrot with seasonings. Refrigerate overnight. Cut eggplant into long sticks. Shred shiso leaf. Sprinkle salt on eggplant. Rub the salt onto eggplant. When water comes out, squeeze it lightly. Wipe the moisture off eggplant. Put minced shiso, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Start to combine. You can eat it right away. Cut cabbage into bite-sized. Shred carrot. Sprinkle salt on cabbage and carrot. Rub the salt onto them and leave it for a while. When water comes out, wipe the moisture off vegetables. Put grated ginger, soy sauce, and rice vinegar. Start to combine. You can eat it right away. Slice avocado. Put it in storage container or a plastic bag. Put lemon juice, soy sauce, mirin, and water. Mix avocado with seasonings. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Please be careful not to pickle too long. The taste might be too strong. Sprinkle sesame seeds when eating. Boil bean sprout for 1 minute. Drain water and remove moisture well. Sprinkle sugar, salt, black pepper, soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice vinegar. Start to combine. You can eat it right away. It will taste good you chill it in the refrigerator too. Thinly sliced cucumber, soak dried wakame seaweed in hot water. You can use just water, but boiling water is better because it can remove the unique smell of wakame. Drain the hot water and wash it with cold water. Put cucumber and wakame in storage container or plastic bag. Add rice vinegar, sugar, and soy sauce. Mix cucumber with seasonings. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Taste will be soaked well if you let it sit overnight. Remove calyx of okra. Rub salt on the surface of okra and leave it for 2 minutes. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain water and remove moisture well. Prepare stretch container or a plastic bag and make pickling liquid. Water, soy sauce, mirin, salted kombu, and salt. Soak boiled okra in the liquid. Add red pepper as you like, and refrigerate overnight. I put shredded chili pepper, peeled daikon, and cut it into long sticks. Sprinkle salt on daikon. Rub the salt onto it and leave it for a while. Remove seed of salted plum and mince it. I also use these shiso leaves for pickles. When daikon's water comes out, drain the water. Add salted plum, honey. If you like sour taste, Please reduce the amount of honey and rice vinegar. Start to combine. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Taste will be soaked well if you let it sit overnight. Cut the bell pepper into bite-sized. Put it in storage container or plastic bag. Put lemon juice, miso paste, and mirin. Mix it with seasonings. Refrigerate overnight. I added lemon when dishing up.